Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. And I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate this beautiful holiday glam eye makeup look that's green in color, perfect for Christmas, New Year, and there's glitter. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lid with Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige. Once I'm done blending with that, I'm going to set that with some Colourpop setting powder in translucent so that my shadows won't crease. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful shade called Jada. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm going to blend that in my crease as my transition color until I'm happy with the way it looks. And the next color is Pool Party. It's a beautiful blue green glittery shade, shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply that with my fingers for the perfect finish. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. So once I'm done with that, for that pop of glitter, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette and that beautiful first golden glitter top up shade. And I'm going to use my brush. I've used some setting spray on that, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid like this for a pop of glitter. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to work on my dark circles. I've created this custom mix of mixing NYX Shade Light and LA Girls Pro Conceal Orange, and then I'm going to blend it well and set it. Next, I'm going to work on my brows here. I'm going to use my trusty brow definer by Sugar in Jerry Brown, and I'm going to just fill in the sparse areas of my brows. And next, I'm going to go with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area as a highlight, and I'm going to blend it well and set that with some translucent powder. Next, I'm going to use Mary's Luminizers by Balm Cosmetics on my brow bone and inner corner as well. And for that liner, I'm going to use Ingloss Gel Liner in number 77, and I'm just going to use that over my, I'm not going to do any winged liner, so I'm just going to use that over my upper lash line. I hope you understand. Okay, right there, that's it. No fancy liner, nothing. I'm going to use Rimmel's Exaggerate liner in this shade called Emerald, and I'm going to pop it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to use the same shade called Jada from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use that on my lower waterline. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's liner. I'm going to curl my lashes, go apply some good coat of mascara. I'm going to use my Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. If you want, go ahead and add falsies. This look is perfect for Christmas because it screams Christmas, because it's green, it's glittery, it's shimmery, everything. So if you enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. These are very easy eye makeup look, you guys. Please do give it a try and tag me. And also there are many more eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY tutorials up on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out. And take care and happy holiday season. Take care. Bye bye.